What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are replacing the windshield wipers on the E90 M3. Yes, it's raining out. Perfect day to do this video. I have been needing to replace the windshield wipers on the E90 for a minute now, and these just came in the mail. So it's kind of perfect. It's raining out, gotta replace these. You guys know when it's time to replace these things, they make that really obnoxious loud noise when you use them. I'll leave a link down in the description to where you guys can buy these. Really easy install, so this is gonna be a quick video for us today. Bob, you gonna help out at all? Probably not. Rosie, you helping out at all? Doubt it. All right, so let's head out to the garage and get this install started. You guys know the sound. It's probably one of the most annoying sounds ever. So I'll be honest, I haven't really driven this car in the rain that much. It hasn't rained that much here in North Carolina since I've had the car. And obviously I had the F30 for a while, so I wasn't really driving this car much in the rain. I'm still looking for a new car, so this is basically the daily. And I didn't even realize that the windshield wipers were bad, so I ordered some new ones, obviously, because these ones are super old. Who knows when the previous owner replaced them. All right, I'm like a functioning human being again. Also, is it just me or does anyone else just I love the old cup holders. Like the old style, the E-Series cup holders are my favorite. I just think the ones down here, like that they have in the F-Series were, I don't know, they got in the way of everything. This is the jam right here. I love these ones. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow I get to do a ride along chat and chill video with you guys, which I'm actually really excited to do because I haven't done that in a while. And I always really like those videos because it's just like talk about everything that's happening right now with like the car channel and me, and I don't know. I just feel like it's a good way to kind of get everyone up to speed with where I'm at with things. And there's a lot going on right now, obviously, like with me looking for a new car. And I haven't really done a ride along video in the E90, and I have a whole bunch of new parts coming, a lot of updates on the cars that I'm looking at. So make sure you guys watch out for the video that's coming after this video. That will be the ride along and chat video. But obviously today it's going to be a windshield wiper day video. These wipers are so bad. They're so loud, and it's like they don't even clean off any of the water on the windshield. Gonna dry this thing off quick. Might as well. And just like that, she's all cleaned up. That little car dryer is such a game changer. I love that thing. It's one of the best purchases I've made. For someone like me who's like always trying to keep this car as clean as possible, it's a crucial tool to have. That car dryer that I use with the ceramic coating that I have on this car, I mean, it's like effortless. It's just so easy to keep this thing clean. So easy, nothing sticks to it. Just always stays clean. The F30 was the same way. I love it. All right, so we got the new windshield wipers here. That is the part number for you guys if you are interested in going to BMW and ordering them or ordering them online. And these were about $50 from the dealership. I will put a link down in the description if you guys just want to order them online directly, but these are the wipers. So when looking at the old wipers, the shorter one is gonna be on the passenger side and the longer one is gonna be on the driver's side. You'll see these little clips down here. You're just gonna pinch these in together and then fold back and pull off. See that little hook there? That's what it hangs on to right in there. So just as simple as that, that's how you take it off. Discard this one. So here's our old one, new one. This is our passenger side one. You can obviously see the length difference. Just go ahead and take the new one. Super easy, guys. It's like the easiest install ever. So we'll just take this new one, clip it on like that, press these guys in, bam. Look at that, easiest install on the channel ever. Let's hit up the passenger side one real quick. So same deal here, we're just gonna pinch these in, fold it back, lift up, comes right off. Take that new one, that clip like that, press these guys in, bam. And that's it. Good to go. Go ahead and put these back down. And you're done. Yeah, pretty simple. So yeah, you guys, this one, super easy. I was even debating whether or not to film it because it's so simple. But I figured maybe someone out there could find use of this video and needed help putting those on. Well, now you know how to do it, it's very easy. Anyways guys, everything that I used in this video is linked down in the description. Go ahead and buy them there if you need it. Other than that, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, and hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video's over, and I'm out. Peace.